Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to hide a page from navigation on Squarespace using the web dashboard. First, you need to open the Pages panel in your Squarespace editor, look at the left sidebar, and click on Pages. The Pages panel will open up on your screen, and you'll see your site's entire navigation structure laid out. At the top, you'll see a section labeled Main Navigation, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see another section called Not Linked. The Pages panel shows all your pages organized by these navigation sections. Any pages that are in main navigation appear in your site's menu by default, and that's what visitors see when they come to your site. Now, locate the page you want to hide. Scroll through the Pages panel to find the specific page you're looking for. You'll see the page name listed among all your other pages in the navigation. If your page happens to be inside a folder which creates a drop-down menu on your site, you'll need to drag it out of that folder first before you can move it to the Not Linked section. Just click and drag it out to the main level. Next, drag the page to the Not Linked section. Click and hold on the page name with your mouse, then drag it down toward the bottom of the Pages panel to that Not Linked section we saw earlier. As you're dragging, you'll see a visual indicator on your screen showing where the page will drop when you release your mouse. Keep dragging until it's positioned in the Not Linked section, then release. The page is now hidden from your navigation menu, but it's still accessible at its URL. That means visitors can still get to it if they click on a direct link you've shared somewhere, or if they type the URL into their browser directly. Finally, you want to verify that the page is actually hidden. Save your changes by clicking the Save button, then preview your live site. When you look at the top navigation bar of your website, you should see that the page no longer appears in your site's navigation menu. Even though the page is hidden from navigation, search engines can still index it by default, so it could show up in Google search results. If you want to prevent that, click the gear icon next to the page in the Pages panel, go to the SEO tab, and check the box that says Hide this page from search results. And if you need to relink the page later, just drag it from Not Linked back up to main navigation. That's it. If this helped, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.